Hello everyone, today we are in the historic center of Fresagrandinaria, a small village situated at just 20 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast, with all kinds of basic facilities. And here we are, exactly in the middle of the historic center. The town center is situated just along this road here at just 2 minutes walk, and there you can find bars, cafes, grocery store, small grocery store. But the good thing is that here it is a quiet small village, but it is also conveniently close to San Salvo, a bigger town on the coast with everything you need. And today we are looking at this small townhouse in need of renovation, but it will be a nice renovation project. Here, as we enter, we immediately find the kitchen area, and the living area. With a small French balcony. As you can see, the house needs some maintenance, and the house also needs a new waterproof membrane for the roof. We are on the first floor, and we find the bathroom. It is a full bathroom, but is in need of total renovation, as you can see. And right next to it we find this large and bright bedroom. With access to the terrace. And here we have a small terrace with a beautiful panoramic view on the surrounding hills and countryside, and also of the historic center. So this pretty petite townhouse with 1 bedroom and panoramic terrace would be a perfect investment for a renovation project. And if you're interested about this property, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.